Hello, this is David Starr, and we're going to take an in-depth look at publishing a private SaaS offer, or plan, if you will. Now, we already created an offer in the module entitled Publishing a SaaS Offer, so you might want to review that if you haven't seen it already. This brief module will focus exclusively on creating a private plan on the offer that we've already created. So let's get going. You'll learn about private plans in this module, what they are, and why you would want to use them. And as a publisher, you'll learn how to publish a private plan from within Partner Center. First, let's talk about private plans, what they are, and why we care about them as publishers. A typical SaaS offer has at least one plan that can be subscribed to. Now, it's common to have multiple public plans representing different versions of your product or solution. I like to think of a silver, gold, platinum model. Just makes things easy for me. Now, while offers are always public, a plan can be public or private. And when a plan is private, that means it's only available to customers you designate. We create private plans in Partner Center just like public plans. This is available for paid plans only. The plan that you create must be one for which your publishers will be charged. Free plans are not supported for private plans. Why would we create a private plan in the first place? In short, the number one answer is custom pricing. While you might also create a custom plan to accommodate custom terms and conditions, the most common reason to have a custom plan is to accommodate custom pricing, whether done through a common discount or through a one-off pricing deal that you've struck with a given customer. Here we have three public plans. What happens if we want to add a private plan? The short answer is that we just create one on Partner Center and make it available to our customer. We'll see how to do this. Then we assign a customer to the private plan so they can see and buy it in the Azure portal. The great thing about a private plan is that you can share it with multiple customers. So if you have a price point that is negotiated more than once, just add more customers to the private plan. And of course, we can continue expanding our offer to have multiple private plans. You aren't limited to just one private plan per offer. We're starting off in Partner Center on an offer with the view of its plans that already exist. We'll add an additional private plan and make it available to a specific customer. Here we are in Partner Center, and we'll go into Marketplace Offers. We're going to start with a plan that already exists, this one called SaaS Demo. And we can see already by looking at the plan overview that there is a private plan already in existence on this offer. As I said a few moments ago, though, that doesn't mean we can't create another one. So this one was created especially for a given organization. But this plan that we're about to create will be done for a standard discount model. So you can see we have two private plans already created. Let's create a third. We'll create a new plan just like we always would. This one we're going to call 15% off because that will be the standard pricing for this plan. And we'll give it a title of 15% off. And we'll go ahead and create that plan. And in the plan description, we'll drop in some placeholder text and save draft. In pricing and availability, we do need to edit our markets just as we do with public plans. And so in our case, I'll select the United States. And for demo purposes only, we'll say that the monthly price, or let's say annual price, in this case, is $0. Obviously, what you would typically be doing is taking 15% off of your standard pricing model. We're just doing this for demo purposes. We will then come down and mark this plan under Plan Visibility as private. Now, when we have a private plan, we need to ask our customer for their tenant ID. And we explained in the video purchasing a private offer how the customer can get that tenant ID. They'll get it to you so that you can place it here. This could be the tenant ID for your customer named Contoso. And you're going to give them the 15% off discount. We simply save the draft. We can now review and publish, which will show us a set of changes that we've made to our offer. Notice we've created a plan called 15% off that our customers will be able to subscribe to. We can then go ahead and publish this should we choose to. I'm not going to publish this and send it down the publishing pipeline, but know that that would be the next step in publishing your private plan. So what did we cover? Well, we discussed the nature of private plans, what they are, and why we would want to use them. And we saw how to publish a private plan using an existing offer. We did that in Partner Center, and we added the tenant ID of our customer to our private plan. That's really all there is to it. So thank you very much for joining me in this module of the Mastering the Marketplace series focused on SaaS offers.